Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be talking about from startups to corporation who use VDRs, exploring the wide range of VDR users across business landscapes. Script virtual data rooms are not restricted to a particular niche or business size. From budding startups to massive multinational corporations, a myriad of entities harness and the power of videos. Let's dive into the different sectors and understand why they find videos invaluable. Startups, why videos are essential. Fundraising rounds safely share financial, business models, and projects with potential investors. Mergers and acquisitions streamline the diligence process during potential mergers or buyouts. Intellectual property protects sensitive information, patents, and innovative solution. Budget friendly, features offer scalable solutions fitting for startup tight budgets. Startups operate in a dynamic environment where agility and speed up are crucial. Whether they are quoting investors during fundraising rounds, considering a merger, or safeguarding their innovative intellectual property. VDRs provide a secure and efficient platform. More so, the scalability of VDRs means startups can find a solution tailored to their needs without breaking the bank. Corporations, the multifaceted utility of VDRs. Global corporation facilitate seamless collaboration across international offices. Large-scale M&As handle the voluminous documentation in big ticket mergers and acquisition. Regulatory compliance store and manage documents necessary for compliance in various regions. Corporate governance maintain transparency and accountability in corporations and management. Large corporations with their expansive operations and intricate structures find manifold uses for videos. These platforms facilitate unhindered collaboration across global branches, ensuring that teams from New York to Tokyo are on the same page. When corporations engage in large-scale M&As, the sheer volume of documents involved makes videos indispensable. Additionally, with operations spread across regions adhering to various regulatory compliance becomes manageable with videos. Corporate governance is cornerstone for any major corporation is bolstered by the transparency and the security offered by videos. That's all for today. Hope you've understood the topic. Thank you so much everyone for watching the video. If you have liked the video, please press the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Take care. Bye bye.